I get all my gear from Online Outfitters, and we'll tell you more about them at the end of the video.
So I always say if you're going to travel across the street or across the world, the first thing you better do when you get to hunting camp is check zero on your rifle. So I set up a Determinator target and got started. I put up 2 of these Determinator targets. The reason why is I'm going to shoot one of them off the bench. I'll take 5 shots and put them in this one off the bench. And then I'm going to take the Kofjager and I'll put 5 shots in this right here. And the reason why is because more than likely I'll be shooting off the Kofjager if I get a shot at an elk. All right, we're all set up now. We're going to take a shot right now to see what we got. Oh, look at that shot. Let's send 3 more, see what happens. The one thing about shooting these targets, this has given me so much more confidence. It's a confidence builder. Very nice. Nice. All right, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change gears and I'm going to shoot 5 more shots off my Kofjager. I'll shoot the left target. On the back of the Determinator target, there's got a lot of really good information that's going to help you become a better shooter. And part of that information includes tips on how to practice and why to practice that way. And part of that is doing, what I'm doing here. More than likely I'm going to be sitting at a water hole. And more than likely at a water hole, I know exactly where the animal's going to be, so I'm going to have my rifle all set up. I'm going to try to duplicate the exact same shooting position with this target. Oh. Dead elk right there. That's a dead elk. I'm telling you, I'm very, very happy with that, and confidence. Confidence is key to doing anything properly, and that target is going to give you a lot of confidence.
We'd like to thank Online Outfitters for providing us with all of our awesome gear that we use in our shows. From ammunition to thermal gear, if we need it, they have it. For more information on Online Outfitters, check out the link below.
So there's going to be a lot of shooting, 8 different manufacturers, 3 rounds from each. I'm going to shoot 24 rounds, but between every single manufacturer, I'm going to run a cleaning patch down the board just to make sure it's clean. So every single time I shoot 3 rounds, it's all the same. So let's go ahead and get started right now.